What's going on, people? It's almost 11 o'clock at night! So I bought a soldering iron off of eBay. Made by these guys. Guarantee card. Quality. It's quality. So the shit came in this nifty bag here. I like it. And when you know, I find this. It's from Amazon, not eBay. Dude ordered it from Amazon and sent it to me as a gift. What the fuck? And then he cut right here so I wouldn't see the price or whatever. It's like, dude, I can just like fucking, you know, search for this on fucking Amazon and it'll come up and then I'll know the fucking price. I paid $14 for it. It's probably like, you know, $7.99 on fucking Amazon. Fuck. Here's the manual. It's got some English on it. Oi! It's the features! Oi! Adopt high-grade special materials with high temperature, resistant, and strong anti-static. Okay. Oh, this is hilarious. Please avoid abusing the soldering iron. Avoid abusing it. Bad soldering iron. Bad. Alright, it looks to be okay. I mean, I guess it'll work. It's got a little temperature gauge right here. Temperature. Temperature. It came with a shitty stand. And, I don't know what this is. Some, like, I guess, like... Oh, okay. Gotcha. Got some different tips here. Holy shit. That one looks almost sharp enough to fucking poke your fucking eye out. Holy fuck. I can almost feel that through the fucking plastic. What? I have no idea what the fuck this is. And I have no... Fuck, I don't know what this is either. What the shit? Is this a track cutter, maybe? I don't know. Whatever. It came with some solder, too. Solder, whatever. Row S. ROHS. I don't know what the fuck that means, but whatever. It's a lot of fucking solder. I wonder if it's like good quality solder or shitty quality solder. And a solder plunger thing. It came with like all this awesome shit. It was just awesome shit. Wait, there's one more item. What the fuck is this thing? Welding flux. Oh, it's flux. Okay. Made in China. Gee, you fucking think? I couldn't tell for all the fucking Chinese lettering. Now I gotta put all this fucking shit back in here. I still don't know what the fuck this thing is.